Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Zach here with Unreal Adventures. Today we are going to be going over the ever frustrating cast net. Now I know there's a lot of different ways to throw these guys. Today I'm gonna show you my way of throwing it. I find it to be the easiest way. There's a lot of different ways to do it. This is just like gonna be a version of how I throw it. If you've never thrown a cast net before, it can be a real pain in the butt, guys. It just takes a little bit of practice though. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it, so stick around. All right, guys, first step to throwing the cast net. There's really only one step. All right, guys, all jokes aside, I am gonna be showing you how to throw a cast net today, or at least my version of it. So, basically, let me just go over this real quick with you. Why do you need to learn to throw a cast net? It'll save you so much money on bait. It'll be unbelievable. If you go to the bait shop every weekend and you spend, 12 or 15 bucks for a half dozen of perch or a dozen perch, or you're going and spending $3, $4 for a dozen worms, like, it's just ridiculous. These things cost 30 to 50 bucks depending on what size you get. So, literally, you take it out 5 times and you've already paid back your investment. So, it's a no-brainer. You need to learn how to throw a cast net. Also, shad and perch and cut bait, personally, works a lot better than, worms, store-bought bait, dip bait. So, that's why I always have a cast net on me at all times. So, let's teach you guys how to throw it. Now, my version, okay, this is just my version. This is kind of a small net. I think this is a 3.5 foot diameter. This version works better with a little bit bigger nets, but it still works just fine with this. So what we're gonna do, guys, is you're gonna grab the cast net, roughly halfway down or a third of the way down to the neck, just like so, okay? And then what you're gonna do is you're just gonna start grabbing between the weights. You're gonna peel up to your hand, okay? Come back down, peel up to your hand. Come back down, peel up to your hand, just like that. And then when you're ready to throw, you just have it like this, okay? You have all of your loops up here in your hand. You have a bit of a gap here, and you'd obviously have the cord around your wrist so you don't lose your net. But this is the base step in throwing this net, okay? Then what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna come to the side just like this, and you're just gonna turn and let go. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take as your body rotates, you're gonna take your right arm and kind of swing it across your chest, just like this, guys. Across your chest, just like that, okay? So when you get to right in front of you, you just kind of let go, and what that's gonna allow that to do is it's gonna allow the net to open up. And I'll just kind of do like a quick one. Let me back up here for just a second here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna turn, let go, just like that. The net will open up in front of you, and when you get a nice wide pattern, a wide spread. The bigger the spread you can get, the more bait theoretically you will get in the net. So that's basically my method. Now I'm going to do a first-person view here. I'm going to strap the GoPro on and give you guys a first-person view so you can kind of see how the net spreads and how I do it. So I'll be right back with you. All right, guys, I am back. I got the GoPro on. So like I said, here's the top of your net there. There's your hand, about halfway down to the weights, okay? Like I said, what we're gonna do, okay, is we're gonna peel up to your hand, just like that. Peel it up to your hand, grab like that. And you can do 2 or 3 of these depending on how big your net is, guys. This small net probably only needs like 2, but we're gonna do 3 just because we can. So this is what it looks like, okay? You have 2 or 3 loops there in your hand. You have your net spread out like this. Now what we're gonna do, like I said earlier, we're gonna turn and throw across like this, okay? Now watch the spread we get on this net. Just like that, guys. We'll do it one more time for good measure here. And I'm not claiming to be the best net thrower in the world, guys, but this is just a method that works for me. Works great, catch plenty of bait doing it. One more, okay? Here we go. Just like that. And that's all there is to it. Now, one tip I will give, guys, when you do throw, go ahead and have the rope wrapped up in your hand here that you have on the left hand. When you throw, let that rope thread through your fingers like that. If you just throw, sometimes your rope will actually get under your weights, and it'll cause you to have a misthrow basically, because when you go to tighten the net, it'll mess up how the system actually closes. So that's just one tip to keep in mind. Well guys, thanks for sticking around. I hope you learned something today. Like I said, there's a million ways to throw a net, but I hope this way helps you improve in any way at all, even if it's only the slightest bit. I've done my job. I'm happy that you guys have learned something. If you like the videos, go ahead and check out my other content. Subscribe. You can also follow along on Instagram at un_reel, REEL _adventures. And like always, guys, it's a good day to fish.